Hello.
Thank you. Would you like a nap?
Yes, please.
All right. Have a good day.
Perfect, thank you.
First place we're gonna go is the visitor center.
Yeah.
So we don't know where we're going. Phoenix then.
We're kind of in an idea, but not really.
All campgrounds full.
Oh, shoot. Okay, well, so much for that.
I have no idea. I'll have to see.
I know.
All right, campground first. Oh wow, those people are pulling over. Oh, the potty.
Bathroom.
Gotcha.
That makes
All right.
sense.
Let's go to the visitor center, and then I think we're just gonna do the lower loop
Yeah,
here in Yellowstone today. So,
that is the plan.
yep. Unfortunately, Chancey really can't go see anything, which sucks.
I know.
So,
She'll just stay in the cool van.
yeah. So, off we go. It smells really bad here, guys. So,
If you have a sensitive nose, it's really bad.
yeah, it's bad.
Yeah.
This one's more like just straight mud.
Yes, thank you. Give me some.
I wasn't sure. So we think this one is sulfur cauldron. You can kind of hear it. You can smell it.
See, I can't smell this one.
I can smell this one for sure. And of course, there's the beautiful river right behind there, but so many of these that are around. And of course, out in the distance, there's more bison in the rolling hills.
It kind of is, but it's pretty.
Evasive.
Just chilling. Hi, buddy. We're gonna go in the water and drink again. They don't swim across. He's swimming across. Mm-hmm. I know.
Oh, the smell.
Yeah, it does.
What smells?
Oh my gosh, wow. Woo!
Well, Yellowstone's really pretty, but she's very stinky at the same time.
Absolutely, especially when you have a sensitive nose.
Yeah, it's definitely giving me a little bit of a headache.
I know, I'm sorry, babe.
Yeah, so
It's
been beautiful though. But I want to see something other than bison.
We've seen a ton of bison, but that's it so far.
I think the coolest one will obviously be the one that was swimming.
Yeah,
But
so far.
I want to see a moose, a bear, or a wolf.
I definitely want to see a moose or a bear.
Yeah.
A wolf would be really cool too.
Yeah.
I think it'd be harder to spot.
Yeah. But it's one of those things, like, I would love to come back here during the winter time because it's so magical.
I would love that too. We'll have to do it at some point.
Absolutely.
Yeah. There we go. That's pretty.
Got some of it.
Yep.
Yep. Just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to keep going? Oh, oh. Oh, wow.
It's gonna get bigger and bigger, I think.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Wow.
That's awesome.
That's so insane. You can hear it rumbling.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
It's so tall.
It's so massive. Wow.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
You guys want me to take one for you? I can take you. I've been here lots of times. I've seen it a lot. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's awesome.
That's super cool. I thought it would be loud. It's really quiet.
Yeah, it's a lot quieter than I thought. You could hear a little bit of a rumble, but
I
not
can
like
hear
a
the
lot.
rumbling. I was expecting more.
I know. Wow. And it erupted early too.
It did? Yeah.
Yep, 5:10 maybe.
Yeah. About 4 or 5 minutes early.
Yep.
Woo.
That's amazing.
Super cool.
Yeah, it's just dwindling down now.
Yeah. Oh, bless you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was cool.
Yeah. I'm glad we saw it.
Me too. Well, if you guys are in Yellowstone, definitely do Old Faithful.
It was super cool.
Yeah, it wasn't as loud as we thought it would be, but
No, it was super quiet.
you could definitely hear it rumble.
Mm-hmm. Like water boiling.
Yeah, that was really cool. So now we need to go find a place to camp
Yeah.
outside, probably near the Tetons is what we're thinking. So we'll see how that goes. Beautiful. Terrifying.
Oh, so terrifying. Yeah.
The Tetons.
What do you think, huh?
I want to get out of the van. I want to go hiking. I'm done with the national parks. They suck for dogs.
I know. I'm sorry, baby. You've been nice and cool today, though.
Yeah. Okay, my head's chopped off, but okay. Got it.
Sweet. No. Okay. Never mind.
Oh. Gotta fall.
Hi, honey.
Today was a drivey day.
Yeah.
Yellowstone was a lot.
It was awesome, but
Yeah.
it was a lot.
Then we got into the Tetons and found some dispersed camping, but on a normal day during this, we would have absolutely gone up this road.
I know.
But it was like 7:30. We're hungry, and we just backed out, and we're just going to sleep in the parking lot like other people.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people here, so we'll be fine.
Yeah. So we were going to eat some tacos. It was a good day. Try to end it with an epic spot, but I don't even care right now. So it's just going to be what it is.
Semi-level,
Yeah.
safe,
Yep.
free.
And then we'll see Tetons in the morning.
Yes.
Mm. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Old Faithful was really cool to see. No doubt about it.
Mm-hmm. Super busy.
Yeah. If you
It is
want,
summer, but
if you want to go at like 4 o'clock in the morning when
Or-
the sun's up.
yeah.
So we go when sun starts to rise, because I think it's like 5:16 here.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously the sun comes up around like 4 something, but go do that. Check out Yellowstone. We're excited we went. We're definitely going to go back and do the bigger loop at some point.
Absolutely. No idea when,
No.
but we'll do it.
Yep. We're going to eat this, and then we will see you guys in the next one.